Today I'm going to be working on this light fixture. I'm going to paint it. I like the design, and I've decided I'm going to paint it a flat black, actually. And this is just a continuation on the Stairwell project. I've taken the bottom part of this fixture out. I'm going to spray paint that after I remove the glass panes, and then I'm just going to paint this by hand. Thought it would probably be the easiest way to do it. And then these plastic things, I'm going to do something here. I think I can use some PVC. This is just dry rotted. So yeah, you can see it just kind of flips off. In my last video, I built a scaffolding in order to make it safer to work on the stairwell. And it's worked out really well. I can just slide the panels if I need to gain access downstairs for tools, and then I just slide it back into position here. So I'm just now getting everything together in order to start this project. There we go. And that'll get me access up here. I'll just start painting this. Got a small artist brush I think I'll use for control. Wipe that down real good and start painting it. Go from there. What's nice about this scaffolding that I built, it comes apart without having to unscrew anything, and I can store it in the shed outside, and if I ever need to do anything on the high end, for example, paint the crown molding, I can just put the scaffolding back up within 30 minutes and do it this way, just using step ladders. It's a great concept. I actually picked this up from another guy on YouTube. Painting, but just got some flat black and small artist brush that I'll start with. Got some decent lighting in here. And I'll just go like so. We're looking at the bottom part of the light fixture. So I was able to just take this whole piece down, drop it down from the fixture. They have these cap screws right on here, so it was just a simple matter of unscrewing them from the top, and the thing came down. These glass panels will lift out. I'll clean those up, so I'm going to carefully remove each one of these. And I guess I better be very careful. And then I'll just take this, I'll clean it, and I'll take it outside, and I'll spray paint this bottom piece. So I really like the style on this particular light fixture. I think it works well. So that's why I wanted just to kind of give it a little TLC, give it a different look. Just looking how these go together. Yeah, I'll just unscrew them from the bottom here, take these rods out, completely take it apart, and then just take it outside. So I'm going to prepare some of the components of this light to, for me to spray paint. I'm going to just add a little painter's tape. Don't want it to get gummed up with paint. Going to replace that plastic underneath the lights that kind of resembles a candle. So That plastic that was on there before just dry rotted over the years and broke off. But I measured from the base to the end, and it's 2 inches. So I got a nice off-white PVC. So we're going to mark it at 2 inches here. Cut it. Let's see how that works. Yeah, there we go. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. How does this work? There we go. There we go. Pretty fast. Let's go check it out. Whoop. Running away from me. Okay. Okay, just assembling the fixture, pulling off the tape. Everything looks pretty good. The next step is to insert the glass panels into these holders. I thought it would be safer to come into the family room where I can put it on the carpet in case I drop a panel. That hard countertop in the kitchen I wouldn't trust too much. I'm thinking I'm laying it like this as I'm inserting these. They kind of rely on each other for support. Might be able to stretch a little painter's tape around the edges to kind of hold it together. Getting the idea here. There we go. I think we're going to be good with that. That holds it up. And I can put this right up against the top and screw those others in on the top part of the light. So we just have to be careful, and hopefully we can get that up there. Extra set of hands would come in handy right now. And if we get a couple started, I'll be okay. Didn't think I'd make it, right? I had my doubts as well. That's good. That's good. Now we just pull the tape off. There we go. Excellent. Nope. I'm sure the bevel goes this way. There we go. Yeah. And then we just bend that back down. There we go. Like so. Alright. And then this goes on the bottom. So I just touched up some paint on the ends of these knobs where the spray didn't get it. And I'll have to do the same for this. This is the final touch. There we go. Take a look at it. There. Looks pretty good. Let's see, maybe turn this lights off, maybe get a better look at it. There we go. So that works. Looks a lot better than what it was. A lot cleaner, I think. And it matches the curtain rod up above too, where I changed that out to black. Got a little smudging on the glass. I can hit that with some glass cleaner. But other than that, it's done. I don't even think I need to touch those up. It looks pretty good. Great. Well, yeah, just refurbishing an old existing light fixture. I like the style. It turned out really good. I'm happy with it, and it saved some money. So anyway, thank you.